So Lily's on her first airline flight today. Today's her first flight out of Fort Lauderdale, heading to the OC. She's very excited. Hope she does well. Well, hi, Lily. Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi, babe.
She tired yet?
No.
Lily's on her first train ride. Yeah. In Portland Transit. Heading to downtown to Pioneer Square. We got a 9-hour layover here in Portland, heading back to Fort Lauderdale. So she looks pretty comfortable. She's adjusting. Have a great day. Come here, Lily. Come on. What's that white stuff? Is that hail? Uh-huh.